Hey there! Today I'm going to introduce you to a game-changing tool that's going to transform the way you generate leads. Take a look at this Excel file right here. It's filled with thousands of potential leads, but extracting them manually would take hours if not days. But guess what? With the help of this AI tool, I'm going to show you how I can extract all these leads in just a couple of seconds. That's right, you heard me correctly, seconds. First, install the Mailsie extension on Google Chrome. Once added, the Mailsie icon will appear in your Chrome toolbar. Log into your Mailsie account or sign up quickly if you haven't already. Locate the Mailsie icon in your Chrome toolbar and open the extension menu. Click on the Mass Extractor option to begin. Now input keywords and target locations. For instance, if you're seeking leads in the US restaurant and bar industry, specify accordingly. Don't forget to save your configuration for future use, saving time and effort. Click the icon next to it to access saved configurations easily for subsequent searches. Once you're happy with your settings, just hit Start and watch Mailsie spring into action. It'll comb through each keyword and location you have listed, making sure no stone is left unturned. You won't miss a single lead. Plus, it's all hands-free, so why not treat yourself to a coffee break while Mailsie does all the hard work? Sit back, relax, and let the magic happen. Once the search is complete, return to the Mailsie icon and click on Download. An Excel file containing all lead details will be downloaded to your device. Voila! You've got yourself a goldmine of potential clients or contacts thanks to Mailsie's magic. Thanks for tuning in. With Mailsie's seamless lead generation process, you're now equipped to take your outreach efforts to the next level. Go ahead, give it a try, and watch your contact list grow effortlessly. Remember, success is just a click away with Mailsie. Happy connecting!